thing called the access control module, where now you get to do all of that stuff right from the smart client, as far as acknowledging access control events, locking and unlocking doors, seeing who's doing what. Saves you a lot of time on researching incidents, and then for live operators, and it makes it really easy to manage who's coming in and out of your facilities. It's supported by 5 platforms available in the U.S. The new Acces, AXIS product, Entry Manager, and their A1001 door controller. A company called Isonis that makes IP access control products. A company called Open Options. A company called Imron, and a company called Infinius. Those are the 5 platforms on the access control side where you can get this type of functionality with Milestones. And we do license this, so you do license each door if you want to have this type of functionality in the smart client. But basically, you can create an access control view like you see here, and have it tied to a specific door. My door is called Demo Unit Area, and I will swipe some badges now, and you'll see that people pop in real time into that list. So if you're an operator, you're seeing who's swiping their card at the door. There's my smiling face, so we know that Paul accessed Demo Unit Area at 2:24 p.m. and we know that. Dave Smith accessed the door shortly before then. And just like in LPR, if I click any of these face things, the video jumps to sync to that point to when that person entered or exited the door. And then over here you can have your map available, and that's where you can see your door and your reader. I can go ahead and lock or unlock the door right from the map if I want to, and then I see the status. You'll also see I have those buttons here, so I might want to create a simple view like this for somebody that's in charge of that door, where they can lock and unlock the door. And then you see the status change up here in the right to green. And then also we have the overlay button ability, so like if you didn't even want to have somebody have to worry about clicking down here, you can just hover over the camera and lock or unlock the door by clicking an overlay button. That's some of the functionality you get, and then you can have in the view your alarm list. So I can come down here and I can see some access denied alarms, and then if I click those, I can review the alarm video of the access denied alarm that I wanted. Another thing you get is the access control tab, and that's where you can search. So you can see all the doors that are connected to your system and their status. You can click a door and see what's happening live outside that door, lock, unlock the door. And then you can also search on events. So you can filter by card holder. So if I go last 7 days and search My Name Messenger, we can see when Paul Messenger exited and entered what doors and when. And then if you click any of those events, you're able to review the video. So you can see if I gave my badge to somebody that doesn't work for us, you can see if it's truly me entering or exiting that door. If something disappeared from a certain storage closet, you could pull up that door and just watch all the people entering and exiting as the door is locked and unlocked, and review the video. So it'll save you a lot of time, and you'll probably be able to find the person carrying the equipment out of the storage room if you need to.
Looks good.
And then you can filter by events, filter by doors. So that's what the access control module gets you. It gets you a really well done integration between your access control system and your video management system.
Interesting. And this is this can be added to Express or